just so happy that you invited us and grateful. And actually, we also have something we wanted to talk to you about.
Darling, 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 there's no need to worry. It's just a couple things. Just a couple things on my brain. If it's you and another, there's no need to worry. Cause I can sleep between. I'm a third wheeler. I'm a side batter. I'm a heartbreaker. Give it up. I'm a third wheeler. I'm a side batter. I'm a homewrecker. Give it up, give it up, give it up. I'll keep your best interest. I'll keep your best interest. I'll keep your best interest. I'll keep your best interest.
Come for my shoot, for a quick shoot, and then we're out to the next part of my day. Junk, suddenly you realize that you wake up to my car's somewhere really far away, so I decided to take a rickshaw all the way up to my car. It's been a while since I've sat in a rickshaw. I miss being a Bandra boy. I was born and raised in Bandra, so this feeling is very, very familiar to me. That was a fun but short-lived rickshaw ride back in the car. Headed to our next meeting. I don't think I can show you that meeting, but I'll catch you guys very, very soon.
This dumbass Deep. Oh shit, I started your video only. Take this dumbass Deep. Bro, he took us to the new side, yeah.
Sleepover. Come on. There we go. You all didn't puppy-proof the place. So after a long time, we've had a easier week, and I really thank God every time I get an easy week, because you just never know how your week's going to turn out in entrepreneurship. Like, you think when you start your business, all the hard parts behind you, but it's just day in, day out, you're always firefighting. There's always something new. So let's see. Today's been a good day. This week's been a good week. I'm gonna get some downtime. I'm gonna watch a couple of movies, going for one right now, one that I've been looking forward to for a while. I was just watching the Samay Raina in LA vlog with the Bota sisters. I'm like, this vlog is so fun.
So now I'm gonna go to their manager and say that.
Think they're Bota sisters. I can't record. I'm so embarrassed.
So I said that they are both the sisters. They have 10 million followers each. So I increased your followers a little bit.
Just by 10x.
Why am I not vlogging anymore? I love vlogging. You guys love my vlogs. But do support me, because I do need more support on this channel. Like, share, subscribe, share this with your friends so we get this community growing a little bit and I can make more vlogs.
Stop! You're meeting me after a week.
This is why I don't vlog, guys. So everyone who keeps asking,
That's bullshit.
then say you wanna be on my
Just
vlog.
meet me now properly.
Sing it. Sing it again.
Now I'm
Sing
calling
it again.
you.
You sing on stages with thousands of people and you're conscious on this camera.
Pretty boy. I don't sing that badly. The car is just moving. Honeybee.
Where is that from?
Olivia, new song. It's all over Instagram.
Which movie are we going for?
We're going for.
Don't tell them.
I also forgot. Intern. No, something like that.
Shit. It's an A24 movie. We'll go for all the A24 movies. We are A24
I
enthusiasts.
take you for every
She takes
A24
me for
movie.
those. I only take her for
I
Bollywood
think-
movies. So
They're not going to be able to sense the sarcasm there.
my audience and community has great dark humor and sarcastic identification.
Meeting me after a week and you behave like that, shut this and talk to me.
Happy 11/11.
Happy 11/11.
What do you say after that? Make a wish.
How many?
Where do you want to go in 2 weeks?
It was a 6 on 10.
1,000.
It was
So
nice.
at
I
least
think-
a 8.5.
Yeah, because it is biased, but I think don't go for an 11 p.m. show. It's really late in the night.
I kind of vibe for the movie.
It's just when it peaks,
Light
it also
and it's
doesn't
dark and it's 11.
peak. It's nice, it's smoothie. It's very sham coated.
Yeah, that's our letter of recommendation. That's our vote of confidence. What you said.
Yeah.
Go watch this movie. So this is the neighborhood, guys. This is Punjab Sindh. This is the entire one where Esrani store is written. So both the shutters. There's no gas line, so it's all induction. And this entire frontage will be available. That's main linking road. I'm looking for another property for another project. Got to keep coming up with new stuff, keep trying to execute. Some things will work, some things will fail. That's just the process. Go deep on the ones that you think are winners. But yeah, we are in Bandra. We're next to this Arcs showroom. I think Arcs might be doing an event at Courtside soon. We just passed this other place called Angry Toast. That's a new hype place. But I'm looking for some spaces in Bandra to open up a new concept. I'll talk about more about it if it kind of develops and comes through. Main Turner Road, Chantilly. This is the rest, Bombay Sweet Shop, all of that. That's Drink, and this is the one in between. So all of them have taken in the Otla space, which is also something that we can do. Take this entire space into it, and I'll share a video later. They don't have the keys, but I'll share a video of the inside part. But it won't be much bigger than what you can see here at Chantilly. Someone has just randomly left this in the elevator. So the other night we went for the invite, and you guys know I fucking love movies, and that was a great one. And I love this whole resurgence of watching movies in theaters, because that's just the best thing in the world. So right now we're going for another one called The Odyssey. This is a big one, Christopher Nolan's crazy huge magnum opus of a movie. So I'm gonna catch up with my friends. Really excited for this. We managed to catch 2 movies this week, which means it is a great week. A little bit more of a relaxed week, and I'm enjoying myself, and I'm enjoying vlogging again. So let's just keep this momentum going. I want to shoot more of these. I want to take you guys more of my journeys. This week also I showed you a glimpse into some of the things that I'm working on. Hopefully they come to fruition. Sometimes you guys ask me in the comment section, what happened to this venture that you're doing? What happened to that venture you're doing? Like, shelved for now. And that's just how it works. So some things do come to fruition, some things don't. The most important thing is to enjoy the present, like how I'm enjoying right now. The simplest things, the most enjoyable things in life are not the most expensive. Just going for a movie with your friends is one of the best things, and that's what we're gonna do right now.
See,
No one knows, but the elders wanted the good to be prepared.
prepared.
What is your review of the movie so far?
It's amazing.
It's
But
only half time, but
yeah, we're waiting for the 5 free slots at Courtside.
for what?
We're gonna win a bet. We're gonna
There's
win.
no bet going on. Look how many people are here, by the way.
How do you feel about it?
It's quite slow so far, but it's
What's
sick.
your view on the
Survive.
movie? What's your view on the movie?
It's not vertical first.
What's your view on the movie? What about the movie do you like?
Gripping.
You came
I like
fif-
these
you
guys'
came
shirts, but
you
don't
came
ban them,
you came 15 minutes late for
10 minutes late. And what happened in the I don't like what's on your shirt. Clearly GMT.
bad. No way you could have seen this.
At home.
It's Christopher Nolan masterpiece. I think it's best yet.
No opinions.
I
think Matt Damon
enjoyed
wins an
it.
Oscar.
I enjoyed it. But I'm still a Dark Knight fan.
Is it?
I'm still a Dark Knight fan.
Yeah. I think everybody is.
Like,
Nothing comes close to that. But this is the best one of the year.
do one Bane.
Huh?
Do one Bane. Well, you take darkness as your ally.
See?
It is injection time. My once a week tradition. We are at 5 millis. And I just got it out of the fridge. So we're gonna let it cool, warm rather for a bit, and then let's inject. You want the light? No, I can see. Where is my one? So the company that makes this little rubber thing, that's a stopper for it. You see that orange thing? It's become a huge company, Western Pharmacies. I think it's a US company. And they are making absolute bank just making this rubber component. We are off to WTF Studios today. That's Nikhil Kamat's studio, and that's where his entire production team sits. They're doing a whole setup for this brand that we're shooting for, and this is Sukriti and my first collab video together. We've done a lot of videos together, but it's still kind of a nervous feel going into one of these, especially when a brand is involved. But let me try and sneak preview whatever I can show you guys once we're there. Let's get a glimpse at a cool place, and we'll reveal which brand it is right after. But thank you guys for following along this week with me. It's been a really fun week. Done some fun stuff, checked out or watched some fun movies. Watched both of them, by the way. I really like both of them. The first one even more so than the second one, even though the second one was like the big one. But yeah, let's go be behind the camera for a change this week, as opposed to watching the output of others. Side effects may include eye contact, deep breaths, and unexpected honesty. You understand? Yes?
I'm honest.
Capiche?
Capiche, I'm honest with you. Absolutely not. I'm just talking about it every day, manifesting my life.
Where are we right now?
We're at Soho House. We're not supposed to shoot.
We should everywhere.
3 years of my life. I've just had Caminos. Mozzarella spicy tomatoes.
Last time you were on my vlog, we were drinking picantes in Delhi. Guys, like we're 13 again.
Yeah.
How does it